Good day to all. And now I will show you how to switch to Traveler Direct to Victors with just 99 pesos a year so that you can make your flight bookings the easiest way. We'll also show you how to top up amount to your account for future use. First, go to Trip Travel and Tours, click Login, and enter your email and password to start with, and let's watch this.
Enter your email and password and click Login. You will see that the logo is still Travelers. Click Me at the bottom, click Plan and select Victors. In Victors, you will be directed to pay just 99 pesos a year. You must go back to home to top up for you to pay the 99 pesos per year. Click Top Up, choose amount. You can select 100 pesos if you will just pay the 99 pesos, but I will use the 5,000 pesos because later on we'll use it to pay for the booking of flights. Select the mode of payment, then select the payment channel. For starter, we will use GCash because it's more people use. Then click the copy button below to copy the account number. Now go to your GCash platform. Click Transfer, select Local, scroll down below, and select Union Bank of the Philippines. Enter amount and we will use 5,000 pesos. Enter Trip Travel and Tours company name, and paste account number, the one that we copied earlier. Long press the box and select Paste. Now scroll down and click Send Payment. When you see the GCash receipt, you will see below the InstaPay invoice number. Copy it and input in the Submit Payment Proof box. And click Submit Payment Proof button. After every successful task you will receive in your email a confirmation that first, your top-up of 5,000 is successful. And second, your transfer to Victor from Travelers is also successful, valid for 1 year.
After seeing the success confirmation on your email and go to your home dashboard, there you will see that your profile account has a logo of Victors. And now I will show you a video, the step-by-step tutorial on how to book a flights. Let's watch this.
Hello guys, magbubook tayo ng ticket for traveling. Here's ET Travel. So, earning while traveling. So ngayon, ito yung fund natin. Prepaid credits is 9,000. So, bubook tayo ng flight. Punta tayo sa book. Okay, ayan. Flights, book tickets. So, ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng informations. So, since from Butuan City, papuntang Manila, Butuan to Manila. And also, one way lang po ito siya. Ayan. So, departure date, March 10, Tuesday. Ayan, travel class is economy. So, bali dalawang adults. So, search flights. Ayan. So, found 124 flights. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakamura. Dito tayo sa cheapest. Ayan. So, here is 7,861. Kaso yung time na kailangan natin is kahit gabi. Okay, eto. So, 20:05, that's 8 p.m. So, ito yung select natin. Okay, select. Tapos lalagay natin yung informations. Okay, so ayan, ito yung step 3, ticket type. Butuan to Manila. So, ito yung price. Continue with this fare. Ayan, processing. Wait lang natin. Okay, so pwede ka pala mamili ng seat. Ito, window seat yung pinili natin. Ngayon, okay, next. Okay, so kanina, kita natin yung credits ko. Ito yung credit ko, 9,000. So, confirm natin ulit. From Butuan to Manila, one way. Time is 8 p.m. Okay, so dalawang adults. Ito yung customer details, ganyan. So, now, proceed and confirm payment. Okay, ayun. Yan. So, tapos na yung booking natin. So, ulit, sa ET Traveling to earning while traveling. So, ayan. So, booking confirmed. Okay, view natin yung receipt. So, here's the receipt. Okay. So, balihin tayo na lang natin yung itinerary later. So, ayan. So, legit talaga sa, e-travels. So, dito na kayo mag-book. Right? Thank you, guys.
That's all for now, and hope you got it all right. See you on your next booking.